being a single parent, it allowed me to venture out in different ways in different departments to help meet just not my needs for my son, but also other resources that I could go to or help improve in areas I needed to get a better understanding about.
Talking to other parents, talking to them, they gave us examples on recipes, healthy stuff, input from other people, not only like elementary as my kids are in, well, one is in middle, but high school.
What it all boils down to is teaching people preventive things.
We do not facilitate what we want to facilitate. We ask the community, what do you need? Oh, I need help dealing with disobedience. What about fighting and aggression? Yeah, we have come on, and free. It's totally free, no cost for the parents.